In Neo Forest City, a bright red smart hoodie girl named Ruby Hood loved adventure.
在新森林市，一个戴着红色智慧连帽外套的女孩露比热爱冒险。
In Neo Forest City, a bright red smart hoodie girl named Ruby Hood loved adventure. One morning, Ruby received a voice message from Grandma, asking her to bring medicine.
一天早晨，露比收到外婆的语音讯息，请她送药过去。
One morning, Ruby received a voice message from Grandma, asking her to bring medicine. Ruby set off, eager to cross the glowing, busy city streets.
露比兴奋地出发，穿越灯火通明的繁忙街道。
Ruby set off, eager to cross the glowing, busy city streets, but a sneaky hacker called Wolfbite watched her from the shadows.
然而，一名名叫灰狼自杰的狡猾骇客在暗处窥视着她。
But a sneaky hacker called Wolfbite watched her from the shadows. Wolfbite disguised himself as a friendly smart guide and tried to lure Ruby into a dark alley.
灰狼自杰假扮成友善的智慧导览员，想引诱露比走进阴暗的小巷。
Wolfbite disguised himself as a friendly smart guide and tried to lure Ruby into a dark alley. Ruby's smart hoodie warned her, and she quickly changed direction.
露比的智慧连帽发出警示，她立刻改变路线。
Ruby's smart hoodie warned her, and she quickly changed direction. She hopped on a shared e-bike and sped through the neon-lit city.
她跳上共享电动脚踏车，飞速穿梭于霓虹闪烁的城市。
She hopped on a shared e-bike and sped through the neon-lit city. Wolfbite hacked the traffic lights to block her way.
灰狼自杰入侵交通号志，企图拦阻她。
Wolfbite hacked the traffic lights to block her way. Using the hoodie's GPS and her quick thinking, Ruby found a safe shortcut.
露比运用外套的 GPS 和灵活的判断找到安全捷径。
Using the hoodie's GPS and her quick thinking, Ruby found a safe shortcut. Finally, she arrived at Grandma's apartment, but the smart door lock had been hacked.
终于，她抵达外婆的公寓，但智慧门锁已被骇客入侵。
Finally, she arrived at Grandma's apartment, but the smart door lock had been hacked. Ruby remembered a lullaby Grandma once taught her that could activate voice security mode.
露比想起外婆曾教她的一首摇篮曲，可以启动声控安全模式。
Ruby remembered a lullaby Grandma once taught her that could activate voice security mode. She sang the melody. The door recognized her and unlocked safely.
她唱起旋律，门锁立即辨识并安全解锁。
She sang the melody. The door recognized her and unlocked safely. Inside, she saw Wolfbite's hologram trying to steal Grandma's data.
进屋后，她看见灰狼自杰的全息影像正企图窃取外婆的资料。
Inside, she saw Wolfbite's hologram trying to steal Grandma's data. Ruby used her hoodie to alert the cyber police, who quickly traced and arrested him.
露比用智慧外套通知网络警察，警员迅速锁定并逮捕了他。
Ruby used her hoodie to alert the cyber police, who quickly traced and arrested him. Grandma hugged Ruby and praised her courage and clever mind.
外婆拥抱露比，赞赏她的勇气与智慧。
Grandma hugged Ruby and praised her courage and clever mind. From that day, Ruby kept exploring the city with bravery and heart.
从那天起，露比继续以勇气与爱心探索这座城市。
From that day, Ruby kept exploring the city with bravery and heart.